good day, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Goblok Bear Show. But we will not have a ganga for today. We'll have a Beyblade and it will have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of the... Woo! This is the R Leon 680GN or the Rock Leon. And this is from the Metal Fight, Metal Fusion series. Yeah, there are two titles for that. I don't know what we will use, but yeah, Metal Fusion, Metal Fight also. Yeah, and this is part of the 25th Beyblade X Over project, which those Beyblade that was in the past was recreated and become an Beyblade X version. Okay, this is the Rock Leon 680GN, and we already know it's a GN. That's a gear needle, 686 size of the ratchet, and 80 in height. So you can see it there. And this is one of the smallest box that we can have in Beyblade, because yeah, I don't have an original one for this, but as I know, as I see some of the YouTubers, Beyblade YouTubers, that the box of the Metal Fight Beyblades before were so small, because the blade itself also is small. Yeah, small but compact in metal. Okay, so much further ado, let's go and let's unbox this so that we can see what will be our Rock Leon. And woo! And before we go there, we can see that there is the Pegasus. But we can only get that if you will have the anniversary set. Okay? Yeah, the 25th or the 30th anniversary set of Beyblade. But yeah, so for that, I will try to hand that also so that I can get it and I would like to play with it. But it's a collectible item. Maybe if I will get that, it will be just... maybe I will not make any battle with it. But yeah, let's go with our Rock Leon. Let's unbox. Let's go. Okay, so I damaged some of the part of the box at the back, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, so these are the parts of our Rock Leon right here. It's just a blade, it's a booster pack, okay? It's not a set. So we will not have any launcher for it. So this is the blade. See that? And they even recreated those something lock chip right there, or gear, something gear that we can twist it, but no, it's not. It's painted in white, solid white. And then the other one, the ratchet. The ratchet is in 680, so a little bit higher, and it's white, and then its bit is a gear needle. So as I know, Rock Leon also focuses more on defense. Okay, so we have here a sticker also, and yeah, I would like to put the sticker so that we can see the beauty of our Rock Leon. So I'll be back. I will put the stickers first and we will be back. Let's go, let's put the stickers. And yeah, here it is. It's just so simple, but it's nice. Yeah, I like it. Alright, this is your Rock Leon. So this is the papers for the Rock Leon. So much for that. So let's combine it. So it's all white, man. Nice. Whoa. Oh, oh, I like that. It's hard. Okay, so is it part of the UX or no? It's part of the UX. Because UX, sample with this ones, UX has already this, we call that, it's a plastic that covers this part. So here, and our BX is something that has metal that covers the upper part. And it has a plastic cover on the stickers. So this one is exposed. So as I can say, this will be a part of our UX line already. Okay? Yeah. So in order to try this one, let's try to have a test spin. Okay, let's spin test rather. Okay, so Rock Leon in 680GN or gear needle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. It is really on defense. You can see that. Yeah, I hope it will have a lot of stamina. Okay, so here is the open of Leon or Rock Leon, because it's a lion, so let's have a lion contest. So the what's this one? I forgot the name. This one also I forgot the name. It's a lion tiger. I forgot, but yeah, let me see it first. What are the names for this one? Okay, so I searched the name. So this is the Leon Claw and this is the Leon Crest. Okay, so sorry for that. I have so many Beyblades already. I already forgot what are the names for these different Beyblades. Okay, so Leon Claw first. Yeah, let's have Leon Claw first. Okay, so versus our Rock Leon. Okay, so let's have the Rock Leon first, and then our Leon Claw. Let's go. Let's try this one. Ready? Woo! Ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot! Shoot! Wow! That's your BX, man. BX is heavy because they have extra metals. So again, another one. So I think we'll have Rock Leon in the second because our Leon Claw wins for that round. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Ooh! I think Rock Leon is very light in terms of weight. Oh, it's a scrape. That's the problem of our gear needle. It scrapes. But I think it's a win. A win for Rock Leon. Okay, for the second round, Rock Leon wins with a spin finish. Nice. It's a balance, man. Okay, so last round or the third round. Ready? 3, 2, go. Shoot. Shoot. Oh! And that's it. That's how it ends. That's a great push of our Leon Claw right there. And yeah, Rock Leon lost in that game. It's a bye-bye. Okay, so next let's have Leon Crest. Okay, so they both have a gear needle, but the Leon Crest has a 660. It's 760, as I know. This is 760. So 760 versus a 680. Oh, higher. I don't know who's higher now because it's from this kind of blade of our Leon Crest. It's an additional height for that. Okay, so ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Leon Crest specializes in defense. Okay, but let's see. Yeah, they both in defense. Both want to get the center. As you can see. Oh, that's the movement of our gear needle already from our Rock Leon. But stamina wise, who has greater stamina? Okay. Okay. Who will scrape first? Oh, that's a win for our Rock Leon. Nice game. So we'll have Rock Leon first again. Then our Leon Crest and the second launch. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, uncontrolled power of our Rock Leon. That's a win for our Leon Crest for that round. Okay, so yeah. So Leon Crest will go first for this round. And the last round for this game. Ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Oh! Again, another uncontrolled extreme dash. And that's a win for our Leon Crest. Yeah. And for that, I would like to have another game. And yeah, I will find another opponent for this. Okay? Just wait. Another opponent is your Drasil, man. Let's go. Let's try this one. Okay, dotted 60. No. 600. Yeah, 660. 60. It's 760 dot. Wow. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's try this. Okay. This will be the last blade or the last Beyblade X that we will have being an opponent of our Rock Leon for this video. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, another great clash. Oh, our Draciel scrapes, and who will win? Oh, that's a win for our Rock Leon, man. Nice. Another game. Rock Leon will go first again, and then our Brazil. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Wow. I like this matchup. A turtle versus a lion. And the turtle wins for this round. Oh, nice. Let's go. Another one. So Brazil will go first. And this will be the last battle. Who will win on this one? Let's go. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Uh-oh. Brazil goes at the center. Getting steady. Okay. Oh, that's a great contact from our Rock Leon. And... okay, another one. Another matchup at the center. Really nice. Another. And who will win? And that would be... oh, that's for our Rock Leon. Okay, so... Rock Leon. So that's our Rock Leon 680 GN. And yeah, it's a remake from the Metal Fight or the Metal Fusion series of our Beyblade, yeah, not Beyblade X, but now it's recreated as a Beyblade X right here. So it's very nice, man. I think for all those remakes, this Rock Leon is one of my favorite right now because I can really see that it can really match up or it can really go against with some other Beyblade X Beyblades, okay? So that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Godpapa Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye.